New at 6, remembering a mother. Kristen Martinez was one of 8 people that died during last week's windstorm. The mother of 4 killed when a tree came crashing down as she tried to move her SUV. KPRC 2's Bryce Newberry is live in Southeast Houston. He spoke to Martinez's husband as hundreds showed up to support their family. Bryce.
Bill, this local barbecue restaurant opened its doors for hours this afternoon. A family member tells me they sold 800 plates of food, all of it to raise money for this mother's funeral and the 4 young children she leaves behind. People lined up all afternoon outside of Perfect Choice Barbecue here on Galveston Road, and the family handed out plates of chicken, sausage, and sides. Kristen Martinez's 4 sons are between 1 and 12 years old. In a freak accident, she died when high winds tore through Houston May 16th as she tried to move the family truck to safety. Her husband of 15 years ran outside after hearing the tree fall and tried to move it, but it was too late.
I miss her a lot, and I don't know how things are going to be going forward, because I did everything with her. She was my fishing buddy, she was my sous chef, she was my taster, she was everything. She was the foundation of me and my family.
And the family says never did they expect to see the amount of support they saw during today's fundraiser. Kristen was one of 8 Houstonians who died during that storm. Her family plans to lay her to rest next week. We're live in Southeast Houston. I'm Bryce Newberry, KPRC 2 News.